Welcome to Inside the Process. Today we're exploring how premium perfumes transform from raw ingredients into luxury bottles.
Premium raw materials arrive here for quality verification before production begins. Each batch undergoes inspection to verify authenticity and concentration levels.
Digital analysis confirms the chemical signature matches premium-grade standards.
Approved ingredients are stored under controlled conditions to preserve their aromatic properties. Every ingredient bottle is scanned for complete digital traceability throughout production.
Expert perfumers create complex formulas by blending precisely measured aromatic compounds.
Measurements are precise down to hundredths of a milliliter for consistent results. Fragrances are architected in 3 layers, each evaporating at different rates on the skin. Top notes, heart notes, and base notes combine to create the complete fragrance composition.
Controlled mixing at low speed prevents heat buildup that could alter delicate aromatics.
Fine filtration removes any undissolved particles for crystal-clear perfume oil.
Experienced evaluators verify the scent profile matches the approved master formula exactly.
Full-scale production begins in 500-liter stainless mixing vessels designed for pharmaceutical applications. Concentrated fragrance oils are diluted in high-purity alcohol at precise ratios.
Automated controls maintain precise mixing speed and temperature throughout the blending cycle.
Internal agitators create thorough mixing without introducing air bubbles or heat.
The perfume ages for 4 weeks in sealed tanks, allowing complex molecules to harmonize and develop depth.
Digital monitoring confirms when maturation reaches completion, and fragrance is ready for final processing.
The matured perfume transfers through pharmaceutical-grade tubing to multi-stage filtration systems.
Progressive filtration removes particles down to 0.2 microns, ensuring optical clarity and stability.
The automated bottling line processes 2,000 bottles per hour with precision timing.
Pre-sterilized bottles arrive from certified glassware manufacturers, ready for filling. Computer-controlled nozzles dispense exactly 100 milliliters into each bottle with 0.1 milliliter accuracy.
Robotic cappers apply spray pumps with calibrated pressure, ensuring proper seal without damaging threads.
Torque testing verifies each cap is secure enough to prevent leaks, but not over-tightened. Optical sensors verify every bottle meets the exact fill specification before moving to the next stage.
Trained quality inspectors examine each bottle under bright light to catch any defects before labeling.
High-precision labelers apply brand labels with sub-millimeter accuracy for premium presentation. Every bottle undergoes continuous monitoring as it progresses through final production stages. Barcodes encode batch numbers, manufacturing dates, and tracking information for complete supply chain visibility. Automatic scanning registers each unit in the enterprise system, creating digital chain of custody. Secondary packaging transforms individual bottles into gift-ready luxury presentation boxes. Rigid luxury boxes are hand-assembled using interlocking panels for structural integrity.
Satin-lined interiors protect bottles and enhance the unboxing experience for customers. Each bottle is carefully positioned to ensure the label faces forward for immediate visual impact. Premium printed materials provide usage guidance and reinforce brand authenticity. Magnetic closures provide a premium tactile experience and secure closure without adhesives. Tamper-evident seals assure customers of unopened authenticity from factory to first use.
Gift-boxed products are organized in quantities for master case packing and shipping preparation. Individual cellophane wrapping adds protective layer against moisture and dust during storage and transit.
6 gift boxes pack efficiently into master cartons designed for wholesale distribution. Corner protectors prevent shifting during transport and absorb impacts that could damage glass bottles. Standard closure techniques prepare cartons for automated tape sealing. Heavy-duty tape sealing prevents carton opening and protects contents during handling and shipping.
Hand-marked identification enables immediate lot tracking for quality control and recalls if needed.
Shipping labels provide scannable tracking and handling instructions for logistics partners throughout the supply chain. Completed master cartons advance to verification stations via gravity-fed conveyor systems. Automated weighing confirms all units are present and detects any missing or extra products before shipment.
Metal detection ensures no foreign objects compromise product safety before distribution.
Master cartons are organized and prepared for pallet configuration based on shipping requirements.
The first layer establishes the stable footprint and weight distribution for the entire pallet load. 4 cartons arrange in a stable square formation, creating the foundation layer. Second layer cartons stack directly above first layer positions, maintaining vertical load alignment. Each pallet consolidates 120 bottles in 20 master cartons for efficient warehousing and transport.
Vertical edge protectors distribute strap pressure and prevent corner damage during handling and shipping.
Stretch wrapping begins at the pallet base to anchor the film before spiraling upward around the load. The operator circles the pallet continuously, applying multiple overlapping film layers under tension to secure the load. Wrapping completes with the film end sealed, creating a unitized load ready for mechanical handling. Manual pallet jacks provide efficient short-distance transport within the facility.
Hydraulic lifting raises the loaded pallet off the floor for smooth rolling transport.
Operators manually transport loads to designated storage locations using ergonomic pulling technique. Climate-controlled warehouse maintains consistent temperature and humidity, protecting fragrance integrity during storage.
Controlled hydraulic descent gently lowers pallets into staging positions, preventing product shock or damage.
Barcode scanning updates the warehouse management system, creating real-time inventory visibility.
Digital inventory management tracks order fulfillment schedules and coordinates outbound shipping logistics.
Powered forklifts efficiently move heavy loads from storage to loading docks when orders ship.
Fork positioning requires precision to ensure balanced load distribution before lifting.
Hydraulic lift systems raise loads smoothly to required height for transport or racking placement.
Loaded forklifts navigate warehouse aisles, transporting pallets to designated loading bays for outbound shipment.
Loading docks provide the critical interface between internal warehouse operations and outbound transportation.
Initial pallet placement establishes the loading pattern for efficient trailer space utilization.
Ratchet straps secure pallets, preventing load shift from acceleration, braking, and road vibration during transit. Proper strap tension creates secure cargo restraint while avoiding excessive compression that could damage packaging. Visible handling placards communicate special care requirements to transportation and warehouse personnel throughout the logistics chain.
Steel trailer doors seal the climate-controlled cargo space, protecting products from environmental exposure during transport.
Numbered security seals prevent unauthorized access, ensuring cargo integrity from factory to destination.
Professional drivers transport fragrance shipments across the country, linking manufacturing facilities to retail distribution networks.
Pre-departure vehicle checks ensure safe transport conditions before beginning the journey to retail distribution centers. Integrated GPS systems guide drivers efficiently on optimized routes, managing delivery schedules and fuel economy. Each day, trucks depart carrying thousands of bottles of luxury fragrances destined for retailers and customers throughout America.
Have a safe trip.
Security protocols ensure only authorized shipments leave the controlled facility perimeter.
From factory to highways to retail stores, every bottle represents the complete journey from raw materials to finished luxury product ready for customers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.